Alright, what's up guys? So basically for this video I'm just going to be voicing over my trade and what exactly I was doing and how I won on this trade today on gold. So right here I'm just taking out my journal and starting by writing my thought process, the date, everything I need to know for this trade at the beginning. And I go ahead and just put on some YouTube in the back just to get myself locked in a little bit. But all of my trades start with me looking at the weekly and marking down some highs and some lows from last week, and then I'll do the same thing with the daily. I'll mark highs and lows from last or yesterday, and then same thing with the hourly. I'll just mark highs and lows from the hourly. And I think right here I'm using just a premium and discount chart. I think I had saw this off of YouTube video strategy. I don't remember exactly where, but it does help me in my trade sometimes. If you want a separate video of me explaining that, then just leave a comment down below. But right here I'm marking down my last hour highs and lows, and now we'll go to the 15-minute. And this is my first time realizing that the market's not about to open, so I was getting ready to trade, and then I realized we're not about to open. So yeah, fast forward to me actually taking a trade. Alright, so at this point I'm kind of just looking at the chart, knowing that we're in a consolidation period, and I have all my resistance key levels put up so I can see clearly where I should enter and if I should even enter at all. And I know that the market is bullish. The market is bullish right now, so if it does go down any, it will slingshot right back up. As you can see during this consolidation period, it was trying to drag it down and it just kept going right back up. But it did get it at a pretty low point, but I feel like that's what the market likes to do. It does one thing and it does it consistently, and then it'll do it differently, and just the complete opposite. It loves to do just the complete opposite. And right here it starts to get down to our fair value gap, which is that purple box. And yeah, we'll just fast forward to once it reaches that point. Alright, so now we knew that it was going to go up, and I didn't have a real stop loss set. That's just I just put that there. I don't know, I'm not sure why. But we had entered in the trade and it started going down just a wee bit, but right as we predicted, it started going right back up. Oh, I think I had that stop loss at that first resistance level, but I'll show you here. We moved our stop loss and we ended up hitting our take profit. So I went ahead and, quick analysis, I set up another take profit and stop loss, and I didn't want to set it too big. I just wanted to get in there somewhere. And it took me a while to do this because I'm still trying to get better at it. Because there's some people that know how to work this trading view tool like the back of their hand. That's not me. I'm still learning, but we did set it pretty nicely. We didn't want to risk a lot, but we did want to go for a reasonable take profit. So that's what we did, and we went ahead and hit that again, and then we set up our bigger trade. It was more risky, but I had some belief in the market, and I also had belief in my strategy, and I knew that if I didn't take it, then I would kind of just be too scared to even test my strategy. So that's what I did. I set up big take profit and pretty fairly decent stop loss. So I waited for that, and we proceeded to hit it. And don't mind my shirt being off. or anything you see from my face cam. That was just a beautiful session of trading, and I'm happy to have you guys here with me. I'm gonna continue writing my journal, continue getting better, and keep sharing some sauce with you guys. And if you enjoyed this, please leave a like on the video and subscribe.